In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermark in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open the Excel file where you want to add the watermark. This is important because the watermark will be inserted directly into that worksheet's header area, which is how Excel allows you to simulate a watermark effect. Unlike some other Microsoft Office apps, Excel doesn't have a dedicated watermark button, so this method is the standard way to do it. Once your worksheet is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click Header and Footer. This will switch the worksheet into header and footer editing mode. When you see the header sections appear at the top of the page, click inside the center header section. Placing the image in the center usually gives the most balanced watermark look on the page. Next, with the header area active, go to the Header and Footer tab and click Picture. Excel will ask where you want to get the image from, so choose the location of your watermark image, such as a file on your computer. Your file browser will open, and from there, locate the image you want to use as your watermark. Select it, then click Open, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. After that, click Insert. At this point, Excel won't immediately show the full image in the header. Instead, you'll see the text that represents the inserted picture. That's normal, and it means the image has been placed successfully. Now it's time to format the watermark so it looks more polished and less distracting. With the header still selected, click Format Picture on the Header and Footer tab. In the picture settings, you can adjust things like color, brightness, and contrast. These options are especially useful for making the image appear lighter and more watermark-like, so it doesn't overpower the content in your spreadsheet. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK. To view the watermark properly, go to the View tab and click Page Layout. This is the view where the watermark becomes visible on the page, since it's stored in the header. If you don't see it right away in normal worksheet view, don't worry. That's expected behavior in Excel. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a watermark into Microsoft Excel. If you want the best results, use a simple image with light coloring so your worksheet data stays easy to read.